Hey you guys, on here real quick just to talk to you guys about there was a BH Cosmetics sale last week. I think it was last week that I took advantage of, went ahead and took advantage of because the deal was really good. So it was a 10-piece Sculpt and Blend brush set plus the contour and blush set that comes with the six palette contour and blush set. Both of those. So I ordered it on the 23rd, which was a Wednesday, maybe. Yeah, which was a Wednesday, and I ended up getting them on Saturday. So it was real quick shipping. And I saved $26. Well, almost $27 for everything that I got. And I went ahead and I added, I think like once you got to checkout, it added, gave you the option if you wanted to add something else. I went ahead and got a bronzer. This is the 10-piece brush set. Hold on, let me show you the first. So this is the 10-piece brush set. And I don't know very much about brushes, so I went online to see if any other brand had brushes that were similar, and Sigma does. Sigmax Essential Kit. And there says it contains 10 brushes designed for high definition flawless makeup application. Yeah. So it's designed to apply powder, cream, and liquid products without absorption into the bristles. So I don't know about the quality of BH Cosmetics bristles, but these feel really soft. And I have notes everywhere, y'all, because I want to make sure I tell you everything. On the BH Cosmetics site, it didn't have like specific information about each of the brushes. It did name each brush, which I'll put in the description box below, or as I show you each brush, I'll put an annotation on the screen somewhere letting you know what the name of the brush is and what is the Sigma brush that it's compared to. So this is the rounded angle brush. This is the flat angle brush. This is the rounded brush. This is the flat brush. This is the tapered brush. Rounded, tapered, I don't know. Which, I would say these are face brushes, and these are eye brushes. This is the flat angle brush. Rounded angle brush. Flat top brush, rounded brush, and then another face brush. And like I said, the bristles are really soft. I haven't had any shedding. I went ahead and washed it when I first got it because it smelled like the plastic bag that it came in, which I don't have in here with me. But it's just a little cheapy bag that I'll probably just use when I'm traveling for my toiletries or what have you. And I like the handle. It's feels very sturdy as compared to some of my other brushes that I have. I don't mind the gold detailing on this little part. Like I said, for the sale for both of them, for this and the contour and blush set, it was $20, $19.99, and separately. It bought separately, the 10-piece Sculpt and Blend brush set, that's what they call it, would be $23, $22.95. So I think I saved a good amount of money, and they're now currently out of the brushes until September, beginning of September. So I'm glad I jumped on it. I can't wait to use these. I'm new to makeup. But I typically get comments or compliments on my makeup. But trust, I was horrible in the beginning. So it just takes practice and patience. And I watched hours upon hours of makeup. I'll put links to some of my favorite makeup tutorials. And then with that, like I said, I got the 6 color palette contour and blush, which this palette is all over YouTube, so I don't think I'll open it, but I don't think it's necessary for me to do swatches or any of that. So of course these are the highlights. These 3, at least for me, these would be the highlights. Contour, the blushes. So I'm excited to try those out, especially with my new brushes, because I'm assuming this rounded angle brush would be good for contouring into right here. For that brush kit, for it to be $23 on here, or on BH Cosmetics, and on the Sigmax Essential Kit, the same one that's similar to that Sigma, is $168. I'm sorry, I don't have $168 to shell out right now. So yeah, I'll take the $23 brush set that's similar to the Sigma brush set. That's fine with me. Yeah, so I'll take that for the time being until I'm making that kind of money. The contour and blush kit itself, if you were to buy it separately, was $18.95, so $19. Oh, well, that's the original price, but it's currently on sale for $14.95. Either way, I got a steal. So I went to check out. It said, oh, you know, you can get this, what is it called? You can get this bronzer for $2.99. So it's originally $7.95, but it was on sale for $4.95, and I got it for $2.95, I believe. It came in, you got a choice of 3 different shades. It's the Bombshell bronze, and it has 3 different shades. So there's a Diva shade that has a matte finish, and then there's Starlit, which it says has an illuminating finish with tones of beige, pink, and peachy bronze. And then the third option was Siren, which is what I got, and it has a shimmering finish with tones of deep gold, copper, and bronze. And I thought that was good for, you know, women of color, darker, deeper tones skin, and that's what it looks like. I think it's really pretty. I had some on yesterday, in my previous video actually, so I don't think you can tell really in that video, but that's what I got. I got the box Siren. It's really pretty. Packaging is everything. You know, you like to see that they didn't, you know, it's not cheaply done. But yeah, I'm glad I got this instead of one of the other ones, because I was torn between that or the matte finish bronzer, but I didn't want to do that. I wanted to get the end of this. I'm excited to try these brushes. So if I ever do my makeup again and I decide to record it, you will definitely see it. Thanks for watching, you guys. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Google Plus if you feel. So that's it for the video, and I'll talk to you good people later. Peace.